Hello everyone, this is Your Nutrition in 90 Seconds. So, Your Nutrition 90 Seconds today, I want to do a product review on these right here. The Better Chip Beet Whole Grain Chips. So, if you didn't know, or those who probably seen some of the videos I have in the past, I do like tortilla chips. So, my husband saw these, I think Saturday, in Piggly Wiggly. Now, I've never seen them before, probably just haven't paid attention. But I'm not sure what the stores you can find them in, but it's a beet chip. And it has 4 ingredients. Let me tell you the 4 ingredients. It has whole grain masa. And masa is pretty much like a corn dough that they use to make like tortillas and all that. It's like a corn, like ground up corn. Also, it has fresh beets, oil, and sea salt. That's it. So I taste these. I was like, they're actually good. And let me read the label. The label, you need 16 of these chips, 7 milligrams